Here on Patton Avenue, just down from S&W Market, is a brand new boutique hotel. It's called The Restoration, and the name is a good metaphor for all that's happening here in Asheville.
The name Restoration came about from our first hotel down in Charleston. It was restoring the old and bringing in the new. We try to find these mid-level cities, in which Asheville is great for that. We came in and we looked at the space and tried to figure out the best ways to utilize it so it's not just a hotel. We're a community center, you know. If you look at the big arches that we have out front, we want to be able to open those doors and welcome the city in and revive the feeling of the community mindedness, you know, just bringing all the different types of people and all the different types of arts and everything back together again.
So we were actually originally, it was a Bank of Asheville, and then it was also a Bank of America at a certain point. It was 4 stories, so they built on 2 additional floors. So the 5th and 6th floor were actually added onto, and that 6th floor is where we have the observatory rooftop and the solarium, which is our event space. One of the biggest values is the idea of bringing people together. So bringing not just tourists, but also just local people together to kind of exchange stories and kind of a good meeting point. We have 60 rooms, they're all suites. So 11 different room types, which is quite a lot considering we're a smaller hotel. But we have a variety. We have rooms with 2 queen beds. We have premium rooms, which are larger. They're 600 square feet. So still quite large rooms for a boutique style hotel.
We opened about a year ago. We basically have 4 outlets. You know, the smallest outlet is the Rise Coffee Shop.
We use High Noon Roasters, which is local. They're actually right down the street. It's my favorite cold brew.
And then on the first floor, we have the Exchange.
So the Exchange, we have traditional Appalachian foods. We do change up that menu depending on the season.
We have dishes that are approachable to everyone, whether it's a trout po' boy for lunch or shrimp and grits at night. And then for pastries, we actually have our own pastry team.
Then we have the rooftop. The rooftop is the observatory, and the observatory is more floral, more outdoors.
The observatory rooftop bar, we are open to the public. Come up there, grab a beverage, and enjoy it on the terrace. Get light bites and a beverage, great views of both downtown and the mountains. It's a great spot for sunset.
And then down in the basement, we have what we call the Draftsman. Obviously, it's very beer-centric city, so we've got a lot of beers on tap.
The Draftsman, we have live music on Fridays and Saturday nights. You can come down here and we have arcade games that are all free play if you have an open bar tab. We have 2 full-size bowling lanes. The live music and the fact that we are open later is something that Asheville really needed. It's a one-stop shop where you have so many things going on. You could be having an event upstairs and live music in the basement and get a nice meal in the Exchange. There's just so many things that we offer right in the middle of everything.
This is my second night here and I absolutely love it. I love being so central everywhere. I get to walk pretty much everywhere downtown and short walk back if I go anywhere else.
I was just walking downtown with my dog and they had the garage doors open, had some jazz music playing, so I just said, I'm gonna walk on in and see what they got. Sat on the patio, it was a nice sunny afternoon, got exactly this. Had the trout, it was fantastic and absolutely won me over.
One of our biggest goals as a company is when people are coming into the hotel, we want them to feel like they're at home. So if you're looking just for a relaxing getaway, this is definitely the place. You come in, we just want you to leave all of your troubles at the door, just come in, relax, and just really enjoy your time here.
The Restoration Asheville is at 68 Patton Avenue in Asheville. To plan your visit, give them a call at 828-220-0368 or visit their website at therestorationhotel.com.